floor now to the representative of Pakistan.
Thank you, Mr. President. Pakistan thanks the Secretary General for his latest report on Central African Republic and Special Representative Valentine Rugwabica for her comprehensive briefing. I welcome the participation of the representative of Central African Republic in this meeting. We commend all MINUSCA personnel for their dedicated service in difficult conditions. We extend our deepest condolences for the peacekeepers who have fallen in the line of duty. Pakistan is proud to have 1,400 troops serving in MINUSCA. Mr. President, Pakistan welcomes the government of CAR's decision to hold presidential, legislative, regional and municipal elections in December this year. It is an important step towards consolidating democracy and representative governance in the country. The completion of the voter list with nearly 2.4 million registered voters, including 47% women, is a significant achievement. Yet, the serious financing gap could jeopardize the conduct of elections. Pakistan joins the calls for urgent, predictable financial support to close the funding shortfall for conducting elections. We welcome the encouraging progress under the 2019 political agreement, including the disarmament and dissolution of the 3R and UPC armed groups and the demobilization of over 600 combatants. These are important gains that merit sustained international backing. At the same time, Pakistan notes the concern expressed by the Secretary General regarding parallel or unregulated disarmament. The DDR process must remain nationally led, centrally controlled, transparent, and linked to socio-economic integration to prevent relapse into violence. Pakistan notes the improved stability in many prefectures, but remains concerned over continued volatility in the northeast, particularly in Wakaga, due to the spillover from the conflict in Sudan. Cross-border incursions, illicit flows, and humanitarian pressures underscore the need for enhanced regional coordination. We support the government's efforts in cooperation with Chad and others to strengthen border management and transhumane security. Mr. President, MINUSCA is a success story in UN peacekeeping. The mission continues to be the anchor for stability, protection of civilians, extension of state authority, and electoral cycle support in CAR. However, the mission faces significant financial and operational constraints. Liquidity shortfalls and unpaid contributions endanger mobility, force protection, and the timely delivery of mandated tasks. Pakistan reiterates that mandates must be matched by predictable, adequate resources and also robust enablers such as aviation, logistics, and engineering. We also support a technical rollover of the mandate of MINUSCA as advocated by the Secretary General and the SRSG at existing force levels. Mr. President, in conclusion, Pakistan reiterates its unwavering support for the people and the government of the Central African Republic in their pursuit of lasting peace, stability, and development. We commend MINUSCA's vital role in protecting civilians, assisting the political process, and extending state authority under increasingly difficult financial and operational conditions. The mission's continued presence remains essential to preserve the gains of the peace process and to ensure successful, peaceful elections later this year. I thank you.
I thank the representative of Pakistan for stating